All right, developing tonight, D.C. police are working on leads in a deadly mass shooting. We are learning more about those scary moments that unfolded Sunday morning in the Shaw neighborhood.
Yeah, police say gunfire erupted near 7th and P Streets at around 3 a.m. 2 men died and 5 other people were injured. Now, police are offering up to $50,000 for any information leading to an arrest.
A few hours ago, Melissa Kim spoke with the owner of this surveillance video that shows people running from those gunshots.
This Ring camera video shows people running after several gunshots were fired at 3:01 in the morning Sunday. The homeowner lives on Q Street Northwest between 6th and 7th Streets, but wanted to remain anonymous. Meanwhile, Alex Padra was doing work at his home on 8th Street Northwest at that same time on Sunday morning when
I heard what sounded like an explosion initially,
but then realized
it must have been just a cluster of shots and then follow-up shots. You know, that number of shots, I immediately knew that was not, that was bad news.
D.C. police say 2 men were killed and 5 other people were shot near the intersection of 7th and P Streets Northwest. They say their initial investigation shows that 1 or more shooters intentionally shot at the victims. Padra is also the ANC representative for this Shaw neighborhood. He says it's not a coincidence that this deadly shooting happened steps away from the Play DC lounge right after it closed at 3 in the morning.
This is a bad actor, and these folks need to go.
He says this isn't the first violent incident that has happened at this time of night near this club.
This is a bad fit for the neighborhood. This is a residential neighborhood for the most part. We've got some, late night business around here, but this is off the chain.
D.C. police say it's offering up to $50,000 for any information leading to an arrest. If you have any information about this shooting or know anything about the possible suspect or suspects, D.C. police say to give them a call at 202-727-9099. In Northwest, Melissa Kim, WUSA 9.